Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so basically this is just a quick YouTube video on simple openings for a balisong, aka a butterfly knife. And this is just a simple trainer, kind of cheap. But yeah, basically like some simple openings like that. And I'll be showing you guys how to do that real quick. Yeah, in this little tutorial type of video. So basically, this is called the bite handle, and this is called the safe handle. Now, anytime you hold the bite handle, if you like flip it, see, you'll get cut. This would be the blade. So never hold it by this unless you're like an expert and you're doing some type of trick. Yeah, basically, for this first simple opening, all you're gonna want to do is flick. So flick it out, over, and up. So yeah, like I said, out. So out, over, and up. God. Up. And yeah, that's the first one. So this is it going fast. Yeah, all I'm really doing is just out, twisting it up. Out, twist, up. Now, there's another one, it's called the quick draw. Basically, you just let that latch fall, and you just bring it up. So I'm kind of trying to keep it in frame, like that. You grab this latch. And by the way, don't be holding it like this, because if it's a real knife, it will cut you. So, yeah. Or you could do it like this, to where you won't get cut. So yeah, it's basically, you just basically just doing that. And it's a simple opening just because, yeah, if it's closed, just let this drop. Yeah. Now the very last one, it's actually pretty cool because, that's not it, sorry. But the very last one is, dang, I can't remember what this one is called. I can't really remember what too many of them are called besides, the quick draw. But, this one, it's basically, it's pretty simple. So you basically, wait, hang on. Alright, yeah. So basically, you grab this, you flip it. So you grab it by the safe handle, you flip it. So flip. You go like this, and you just basically. Here, I'm gonna try and hold it out as much as I can. Alright, look. So you flip out, over. You go like this, and then just bring it around, and then after that, just go like this, pop it up. Now that one probably is the longest one, but so out, out, over, around, and then like that. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that one more time. So out. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to keep it in frame. But yeah. Out. Around. And then you just like that. Yep. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this helped you guys with just, I don't know, this by far is probably my favorite. Just because it's easiest to do, and it doesn't look too bad when you actually know how to do it. And yeah, but thanks for watching this video, and yeah, peace.